I'm Jatin Chaudhary. I'm the co-founder of ECHI Network. We host engaging startup networking meetups in 25 global startup cities. We have a ECHI membership program going on. If you become a ECHI member, you get access to our meetups, startup offers, one-to-one startup networking opportunities with other founders, and be part of our Telegram group also. We have this amazing startup roller coaster show going on where we invite our founder friends to come and share about ups and downs about their entrepreneurial journey. Chirag from NN Life is the guest for today. Chirag, thank you so much for joining.
Thanks for inviting Jatin.
Chirag, if you can give us little background about yourself and how you started NL Life.
Yeah, sure, definitely. So, name suggests that we are connecting energy with the life. So, currently, we are into the energy conservation for air conditioners and we are improving the sleeping experience, which leads to the good health and the better productivity. That is NL Life.
And when did you started it?
Like, I had started research in 2016, but then I had commercialized in 2017. It took almost 1.5 years for the research and the development.
What is your background and why this particular idea?
My background is into the mechatronics engineering, which is about the automation. Why this idea? Because I myself was facing a problem with the air conditioning system. Then I went outside and I had interviewed few people and understood like how they are using the air conditioner. So similarly, I found like 80 to 85% people are using in a same pattern. So let's say like after 1 or 2 hours, you started feeling cold in the air conditioner. So you have a blanket. So it is like you have adopted blanket in the air conditioner, and that is the wastage of cooling. So now, when there is a wastage, we can save it, right? So with a smart solution, we have thought, okay, let's save energy. Second thing, air conditioners gives almost 60 to 65% hike in your energy bills. So that is a major problem again. And also, glow beating is a problem with the air conditioner. So we thought to make a product which can save energy, also enhance your sleeping experience, and it can save the environment. And that is the end product, Energy Life.
Awesome. So how did you go about it? You yourself built it? You found designers? What was those early days like?
Yeah. So earlier, I had done research. Then I found my team through the LinkedIn. First, I had connected with the developers who can do hardware and software things. And later on, I had built a team through the LinkedIn only. So that was the amazing thing. Yeah.
Awesome. And what are
Yeah.
the interesting numbers about NL Life that you want to share?
Yes. So like we have 12,500 plus customers in our basket, and those are rapidly growing now.
Awesome. And the idea of this particular show is to talk about ups and downs, which has been the most happiest moment of your entrepreneurial journey.
Yes. So when we are doing research and making the initial prototype products, our aim is to make a product which can run without Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It like we don't want any dependency over there. So we were building a single protocol which can use with all the brands available. And surprisingly, there are 36 plus brands available in the market till date. And we have developed this protocol, and that was an amazing moment when everything was working. Like single protocol was working with all the brands. So that was the key milestone we had.
And which has been the most difficult period, and how did you came out from it?
Yes. So that is again at the launch phase because like initially our launch time was the March time, which was a peak summer, I can say. But due to the production and other procurement delays, our launch get delayed by almost like June came into. So we have run through the pre-launch campaigns and we have received a good amount of the leads. So now on the basis of the leads, we have procured the inventory. And as we are new, we have no idea about the conversion rate. We thought, okay, these are the leads and that will be converted into the customers. So initially, we have invested all our funds into the production and we left with the no marketing budget. So that
Oh,
was the very difficult moment and like without very less budget and converting those leads to the customers.
correct. And what are the big growth opportunities you are looking forward to next 2 3 years for NL
Yeah.
Life?
Yeah. So as we can see, air conditioning market in India is 9 to 10% only. So by 2040, it will go by almost like it will saturate, I can say, and it is rapidly growing in 20 years. So I can say like in air conditioning market is very rapidly growing, and we will coming up with the new unique products as well. So potential is high in this market.
Awesome. And we talk a lot about learnings from mistakes. So in your journey, what are those things you feel that and you could have done little differently?
Yeah. From the launch, we are only focusing on the sales rather than the brand building process. So that was a great learning. Like rather than doing direct sales, initially all the entrepreneurs to work on the brand building. Then and then sales happens. So those are the unique insights.
And Chirag, what is the advice you want to give your younger self?
Yeah. So taste with a small and scale gradually and also look for profitability rather than just running behind the valuation.
Awesome. We'll try to do a rapid fire. Which is your favorite book or a podcast?
Like I read, my favorite one is Power of Now. by Eckhart Tolle.
And if you were not building NLI, what else you would have been doing?
So as my nature is into the problem solving, so anything something different that could solve the real life problem and which could impact the large community.
Okay.
So yeah, yeah.
And if you were to describe your entrepreneurial journey in one word, what would that be?
So it is the same as your this recent initiation. It's always a roller coaster ride.
Yes, absolutely. And entrepreneurship is a very humbling experience. You get awards, you get invited at a lot of good places, but you have to ask favors also. So, which is the most
Yes.
recent favor you had to ask from someone?
Yes. So initially, the mistakes which we have made directly jumping into the sales and without doing a lot into the marketing and brand building thing. So my recent favor was into the like brand consultants who can relaunch our brand with the
Okay.
larger level. So that is what I've asked.
And which particular activity you enjoy doing the most as part of NL Life?
So as of my role is the like identifying the new problems and that then I pass on to the teams who are making into the products. And now we are also coming up with the new products into the banking sectors and the hospitality sector, which consumes the majority chunk of the peak load in the summer season.
Okay. And
And
what was the impact of COVID-19 situation in your business?
yeah, so it like impacted very badly. As I can say, it was a peak summer season, and as our product is not into the necessary goods, so because our product requires installation, if we can dispatch, but our installation engineer cannot go there, so that is why we have lost good amount of business in this 2020.
Okay. So we have this thing where the person we interviewed last, they have a question which I'll be asking you, and you are supposed to ask a question also. So the last person we interviewed, Harmeet from Food Memories, he has asked this question: what is your take on for the next 2 3 years about India and startup ecosystem in general?
Recently, like we have seen that a lot of startups do focused on the valuations. Now we have seen that they are selling their companies at a lower price. So rather than looking into the valuation, I think also they should look into the profitability. That is the next thing, which I believe that it will be in the market.
That would be the bigger trend now.
Yes, bigger trend now.
And what is your question for the next founder?
Yeah. So my next question is like whether entrepreneurs should focus on the company's brand building or the personal brand building, or maybe it's a mix of personal and the company brand building.
Okay, you in a way have answered, but I'll ask this question to the next person. And
Sure.
Chirag, why should people join Echai?
So it gives a good connects with the community. That is the biggest benefit of the e-check.
Awesome. And thank you so much, Chirag, and we wish you all the best.